No, right?
Yeah, enjoy it. And what about Maria's pattern? I'm working on an order, little doll.
Oh, guys,
Look how cool! They ordered book character dolls. Oh, I used Maria's pattern because the size is really good. It's tiny, and I came up with this hair. Look.
it's beautiful, beautiful, girl. Get inspired.
Yeah, I'm saying this because, when I started, I didn't know how to do anything. And then watching your classes, I want to say that it was wonderful in my life from the very first one. And we can do it. We keep trying. And I encourage everyone to do it here.
Look, I get goosebumps because I didn't do my dolls. Oh, you really aim. Say your Instagram, guys. I get emotional. Say your Instagram for those watching on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. Later, visit your Instagram and see a girl who didn't know how to make dolls. How are you making such beautiful dolls and earning income and making money by making dolls? Besides being enjoyable, does it also bring in income? Say your Instagram handle clearly for them.
It's Mira, Arte y Costura. Mira, Arte y Costura, all together.
So later I'll get it and put it here below the live too. So the girls can see it later. I'll share something from Semiramis on my Instagram too. So you can see it. Because when I talk, sometimes I tell a story here, and sometimes those who are just starting out might say something like, oh, that's made up. I'm making it up, but I'm not.
We start with something simpler. I started making those little sock dolls. Sock dolls. I made tons of them. And my story is that I needed to find a hobby because I was sick and needed something to keep my mind busy. So I started doing it. Then I found you. I started making the sock dolls. Then I saw some other dolls. I kept making them. I kept improving my. I remember the first one. Oh my God. It makes me laugh again. But then it got better. So anyone can do it. You just have to keep at it. And what you say is, do it if you make a mistake. Undo it. Do it again. And that's how it goes.
That's right. And when you started, how old were you, Semiramis?
No, I've been doing this for 2 years. Look,
Yeah. Were you already retired or what when you started? Yeah.
I'm already retired. When I kept working, I got sick. So I quit my job outside the home and started this as a hobby for my mental health. And today I do it. I love it. I get so passionate, like you said. Every doll I finish, I fall in love with it. I tell everyone, look, do it. Try it. If it's not dolls, go. Do something else. But the dolls, they're enchanting. They really are.
Yeah, oh, Mira, any kind of craft is wonderful because if I could, I would be doing more of them. In fact, one day I said, no, let me just focus just on fabric, just on dolls. But all crafts are wonderful. I've done many, but dolls have something special.
I saw a photo of a child with my dolls and I got emotional. Really. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.